2 versus Chaotic Ultima. Apparently this is part 2. The reason the other one wasn't, the reason why I said the other one was part 2 is because I thought this one took instead of errorized, and lo and behold, this one errorized, so I had to redo this one. I'm going to show you how to do computer maintenance with the Windows XP Professional, Home or Ultimate, whatever, same thing. It's stuff that Microsoft built into the software that you can run whenever you feel your computer is lagging behind. When you feel it's not running as fast as it should. So let's get started. What you would normally do is come here to my computer. Some of you may still have the default start menu from Windows XP. Unlike me, I like the Windows Classic. But if you do, you'll have to click Computer, which will be over here. So come over here to my computer any way you can, and then find your hard drive. And now it would normally be C, but if you have it set to whatever, then that will be it. You click Properties. Then you come over here. Now you're in this hard drive space. So you click, first you would click Disk Cleanup. What this will do is it'll clean out your recycle bin, your Internet Explorer cache, your downloaded programs like Java, whatever, and a lot of that stuff. I'll actually show you. And this is good to do once a month because a lot of people are like, oh my god, how do you clear out the Internet Explorer cache? Oh well, run this cleanup. Simple. I think this was in Windows 98, and it was such a pain. Okay, as you can see, temporary internet files is Internet Explorer only, unless you tell Firefox to put its cache, whatever, here. I don't know how you would do that. If anyone knows, tell me, because this would actually be helpful, because I wouldn't have to lift a freaking finger after that one. You got the recycle bin, you got other web pages, and it tells you whatever you have clicked in detail, and you could view more the pages too, or details or whatever. But I don't do it. I just tell it to delete and leave me alone. So you come on down here, click OK. Are you sure you want to perform these action? Yes. Otherwise it wouldn't open you. And there you go. And once it goes away, you'll know it's done. Oh my god, we just learned something. So now you come over to Tools. And what you would do is first schedule a scan disk. To do this, you click this check now button, and you make sure these are both clicked, checked, whatever, and then you click start. Now by default you will get this message. The disk check could not be performed because the disk check utility needs exclusive access to some Windows files on the disk. These files can be accessed only by restarting Windows. Do you want to schedule this disk check to occur the next time you start your computer? I'm going to say no, but when you say yes, now it's the next time you start your computer, it'll go right to like a semi-blue off blue screen, and that'll be scan disk. It'll say press escape to cancel disk check. But obviously you wouldn't want to do that. And what scan disk does is it checks all your hard drive for any errors, and normally it would fix it. It's not as useful as we thought it was. I mean, I remember when in the Windows 95 days, you would run it, you would think you're doing good, and it would always come up with bad boot sectors, whatever, you know. So I'm like, yeah, it doesn't come up with that anymore. He's not telling me he's doing anything. So now you want to run disk defragmentation, and what this does is sorts out all the files on the hard drive. If you have multiple hard drives, this will work on both. What you normally do is make sure the drive you want is selected. Yes, as you see, I got 2 of them. And click Analyze, and it'll check to see if it needs to. There you go. And it's telling me I should, but not with Cam Studio running. That'd be like putting a kitten on fire and telling me it's icing. So yeah. And there you go. So as you can see, C needs defragmentation and D doesn't. So there you go, and then you would just click defragment on the drive that needs it. And what you would do is just exit out. I don't think there's anything else I could show you. I used to know how to delete the restore point data of a computer, but I actually forget what button to click. I may not have that option on this one. If you do, you know, if you can, get Cam Studio and post a video on how to clear that, because a lot of people have so much store point data that they really don't need. You know, just make sure your computer's running fine, and then, you know, delete the restore point data, and then just create a new restore point right then and there. Because, I mean, it's ridiculous. I think that's why my computer crashed in the first place, because I had so much data that the hard drive was not ready to be free. Yeah, well, you know. So, that's it for that portion. There used to be a disk compactor partitioner option, but I don't think that's even in this version of Windows anymore. Let me see. System tools. Also, if you come to start in programs, accessories, and system tools, you'll find most of your text is here. The only thing you won't find is scan disk. So you could just use that other procedure, going through the C drives with properties to get it. So this is a Chaotic Ultimate, and I hope you enjoyed my computer maintenance video. Peace.